good morning. Ayan, breakfast meal po natin ngayong araw na ito. Ayan, 2 cups of fried rice with egg. At syempre ang ating ulam. Ayan, ham, isang slice. At skinless tocino. Ayan guys, at may ketchup tayong sasawsawan. Ayan guys, ang ating almusal for the day. Ayan, mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat. Good morning, have a blessed morning sa inyong lahat. And guys, don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel, Blinker Eye. Yummy ang fried rice na yan. Yummy skinless tocino and ham. Yummy ang ating fried rice. Yummy. Ayan guys, muli don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel, Blinker Eye, and also mega love shout out kay Ans18, kay Sergio Boy TV, kay Super Yaya, kay Nanay19, also kay Madam Babes Love, kay Madam Justina, also kay Moonlight Mix Vlog. Ayan, mega love shout out din to Madam Brave Person, also kay Mama Leia. Mega love shout out din to Madam Inday Kunching, at sa lahat po nating solid viewers and supporters. Mega love shout out, and have a nice day po sa inyong lahat, or evening saan man kayo naroon. Ayan, sa muli po guys. Ayan, don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel na Blinker Eye. Maraming salamat and enjoy our meal. Simple meal on duty. Maraming salamat. Bye bye.